That turned out perfect. Hey guys, hope you're all having a great day. Today's video, we're going to be making taillight covers, like guards. Now, I could order them off eBay and Amazon, but the only thing is $50 off Amazon and $30 shipping. I don't think that's really worth it for just taillight covers. So I paid 15 bucks here for some rod. I'm gonna give it a try at least, and then because I can't go across the border, I'm obviously Canadian, so I get my stuff shipped right at the line and I go across and pick it up, but we can't because the borders are closed. So if this doesn't work, I'll just buy them, but I really want to try, see if I can make it work. Okay guys, so you can kind of see where I'm going with this. Pretty good actually. I've just been bending, walking to the device, bending, just over and over until I get what I want. I'm almost there. But what I'm gonna do is weld, see if I can weld this stuff. So I'm gonna weld the straight part there, and then I can have like one almost done. Okay guys, so I had that one pretty close to finished, but then I messed up a bend that I couldn't revert. So now what I'm gonna do is I got my mounted one. We're gonna start with the straight line, and we're gonna build it around the light. So this way I can, it's so hard to get every bend right. I'm not really good at this at all. So I'm just gonna start piecing it together one by one, get the pieces lined up. So this way is way easier. For whatever reason I didn't think it was, but it is. I'm just piecing it. This is all I got left. I want to use 2 per side. I got 2 for the other side. I have that bend that was here, but that's not gonna work. So I'm gonna see if I can fab up this bend. Woo! This one's looking good here. Way better than it was before. It's all tacked. I'm gonna pull it off, weld it all up, and then we're gonna run our bars across, probably 3. Oh, there it is, ladies and gentlemen. So these are pretty close. These two are really close in look. This one is a bit sleeker, but like the overall look, like that's as best as I'm gonna get it, but that looks so cool. So I'm gonna take it off now. We're gonna weld up these now. I put all these, they're tacked. Weld up our cross beams. Here it is, all welded, ready for paint. Look at that thing, that's crazy. It just fits the build, you know? Like fits the bumper, armor. I put little fuzzy felts there so it doesn't hit the, cause I don't know what happened, but one screw, I think I stripped it. So I gotta do another hole. No rubbing or anything, doesn't get in the way at all. Beautiful. Okay guys, here it sits for the night. I'm gonna start on the second one. Okay guys, pretty much this is the base of the project. Got it ready to go. And now we can start building around the taillight. Go, there's one piece tacked. Now I think I'm gonna do the top piece. That's how I did it before. Top bend and then run the 90 and 90 down. Okay guys, here's one complete. So good. Looks really good. There's a little play. Now, I don't think that's enough to be like waving around in the wind, but I put little fuzzy felts for like furniture, just where it's touching. You can see there's a little bit of movement. Could have also done this one better. This sticks out a bit. I could sand that down in the future. So here's where we're at. We got our shape again. Now the other one was a bit better than this one, to be honest. But I'm gonna actually sand this stuff down. This one you can see a weird bend. I'm gonna make it work though. So I'm gonna sand all that down. Grinded this here, looks way better. Got that bend in a bit more. And then up here looks really good too. Little bit off, but with that black rubber coating that I use, it makes it harder to see the little imperfections because it's stubbly and stuff. It's not like a perfect coat. Now let's mount it and do our 3 bars across again. Okay guys, so I got this actually straight now. Alright guys, here it is all tacked. Looks sick once again. Let's pop her off, weld it all up, and then we'll paint it. Here they are, guys. That turned out perfecto. So cool. I love it. So overall price for each one, I think it's like 2.5 to 3 little bars. They're $3 each, so 10, let's say 10 bucks each. So $20 mod here. And I love the way it looks. The rugged off-road look. Thank you guys so much. We're at 270 when I made this video. Please hit the sub button, guys. There's tons more to come on this truck. Thank you guys. We'll see you in the next video.